Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Nissan 2.5 Pr25Dd engine is a modern 2.5-liter, four-cylinder naturally aspirated gasoline engine introduced by Nissan in 2018. It is a significant evolution of the venerable QR25DE engine, with Nissan claiming around 95% new parts, focusing on improved fuel economy, lower emissions, and enhanced power output. It's used in various Nissan and Mitsubishi vehicles as part of the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi alliance, including the Nissan Altima, 2019 present, Nissan Rogue, 2021 to 2023, Nissan X-Trail, 2021 present, and Mitsubishi Outlander, 2022 present. History and versions. The PR25DD engine marks a notable step forward from its predecessor, the QR25DE, by incorporating several advanced technologies for direct injection, naturally aspirated engines. It's part of Nissan's PR engine family. Key features and improvements over the QR25DE include direct fuel injection. DFI fuel is precisely injected directly into the combustion chamber, leading to more efficient combustion and a higher compression ratio. Higher compression ratio. At 12.0 to 1, it significantly improves thermal efficiency. Mirror finish bore coatings. Instead of traditional cast iron cylinder liners, this engine uses mirror finish bore coatings, similar to those found in the Nissan GTR, which reduce friction and improve energy efficiency. Resin intake port insert. A world-first application, this insert creates an air layer to insulate charge air from the cylinder head's heat, improving anti-knock performance and combustion efficiency. Electrically actuated variable valve timing (VDC) system allows for more precise control over valve timing for optimal performance and efficiency across different RPMs. Variable displacement oil pump optimizes oil flow based on engine demand, further reducing parasitic losses. Integrated exhaust manifold. The exhaust manifold is integrated into the cylinder head, which helps the catalytic converter warm up faster, reducing emissions. Cooled exhaust gas recirculation. EGR lowers combustion temperatures to reduce NOx emissions and improve fuel economy. Power output typically ranges from 181 to 188 horsepower, 135 to 140 kilowatts, and 180 to 181 lb-ft, 244 to 245 Nm of torque, depending on the application. Review and opinions. The PR25DD aims to offer a refined and efficient driving experience. General opinions are somewhat mixed, with some positive remarks on its smoothness and efficiency, but also some emerging concerns regarding reliability, particularly in its earlier years of production. Compared to its predecessor, the QR25DE, the PR25DD is technologically more advanced. However, this complexity, while enhancing performance and efficiency, can sometimes introduce new potential failure points. Some early reports, especially concerning the Nissan Rogue, have indicated serious engine issues, although these seem to be less widespread than the initial concerns with a 1.5 kr 15 DDT engine. Advantages. Improved fuel efficiency. The combination of direct injection, high compression, reduced friction, and advanced thermal management technologies leads to excellent fuel economy for a naturally aspirated 2.5L engine. Refined power delivery. The engine generally offers smooth and adequate power for daily driving, providing sufficient acceleration for city and highway use. Advanced technology. Features like mirror bore coating, electrically actuated VDC, and resin intake ports showcase Nissan's commitment to modern engine design for efficiency and performance. Timing chain. Like most modern Nissan engines, it utilizes a timing chain, which is designed to last the engine's lifetime, reducing a major maintenance expense compared to timing belts. Lower emissions. Designed with features like integrated exhaust manifold and cooled EGR to meet stringent modern emission standards. Disadvantages and common faults. Despite its advancements, the PR25DD has seen some emerging concerns. Engine failure/blown head gaskets. Early reports. There have been anecdotal reports, particularly from early 2021 to 2023 Nissan Rogue owners, of severe engine issues, including blown head gaskets and complete engine failures at relatively low mileages, sometimes accompanied by metal shavings in the oil. Nissan has reportedly replaced engines under warranty for some affected owners, suggesting potential manufacturing or design flaws in earlier batches. These reports are concerning, but do not appear to be as widespread or consistently documented as issues with the KR15DDT. Carbon buildup, direct injection as a direct injection engine. The Pr25Dd is susceptible to carbon deposits on the intake valves over time. This can lead to decreased performance, rough, idle, and misfires if not addressed with specialized cleaning, e.g., walnut blasting at higher mileages. Complexity. The advanced technologies, while beneficial, add complexity to the engine, which could lead to more costly repairs if specialized components fail. CVT pairing. Like many Nissan engines, it is predominantly paired with Nissan's Stronach CVT. While improved, CVTs can still be a point of concern for some owners regarding long-term durability and driving feel, especially if not properly maintained. Fuel consumption. The Pr25Dd is quite fuel efficient for a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, largely due to its direct injection and friction-reducing technologies. For instance, in the Nissan Altima, FWD models with the Pr25Dd can achieve around 32 to 39 mpg highway, with AWD versions slightly lower. In larger vehicles like the Nissan Rogue/X-Trail, combined fuel economy figures typically hover around 8.8 to 9.1 L/100 km, around 26 to 27 mpg combined, varying with FWD/AWD and specific trim levels. Timing. The Nissan Pr25Dd engine uses a timing chain system, not timing belt. It is equipped with both a main timing chain and a balancer shaft timing chain. Timing chains are designed for durability and generally intended to last the lifespan of the engine. However, proper maintenance, especially regular and timely oil changes with the correct oil specification, is crucial to prevent premature wear or stretch of the chain and its tensioners. Neglecting oil changes can lead to slack in the chain, causing rattling noises and potential engine damage. Oil. Recommended oil type. Nissan typically specifies SAE 0W, 20 full synthetic motor oil for the Pr25Dd engine. It's crucial to use oil that meets the latest API, American Petroleum Institute, and ILSAC, International Lubricant Standardization and Approval Committee, standards such as APISP and ILSAC GF6 to ensure proper lubrication, wear protection, and prevention of issues like low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, common in direct injection engines. Oil capacity. The oil capacity is generally around 5.1 liters, approximately 5.4 quarts, with an oil filter change. Always verify the exact capacity in your vehicle's owner's manual. Oil change interval. Nissan's recommended oil change intervals typically range from 7,500 miles, 12,000 kilometers, or 6 months, whichever comes first. However, given the direct injection technology and some early reliability reports, many mechanics and cautious owners might opt for slightly shorter intervals, such as 5,000 miles, 8,000 kilometers, particularly if the vehicle is frequently driven in stop-and-go traffic, extreme temperatures, or other severe conditions. Consistent use of high-quality synthetic oil is paramount for the longevity of this engine. In summary, the Nissan Pr25Dd is a technologically advanced and generally efficient engine that aims to deliver a refined driving experience. While it offers improvements over its predecessor, early production models have faced some serious reliability concerns. Buyers considering vehicles with this engine, particularly early model years, should be diligent about maintenance and potentially consider an extended warranty for peace of mind. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.